Y'all, it's Malik back with another YouTube video, and today's video is just going to be about patience, man. And, I'm really just going to document this whole process for the next 10 years because I just got done watching the DDG video and it just motivated me, man, because I really remember him watching from college days to what he's built now is just truly amazing. And I want to bring you guys along my journey because, I've been able to accomplish a lot of great things, and I have caught some things on camera, but I haven't caught enough things on camera. And I'm really going to make sure I do my due diligence and making sure I catch everything on camera, because what I really realized in this process is you got to have patience to really get to where you want to go. I went from selling shirts on my bike year one, walking around on river fronts year one, talking to strangers, selling my bike, to being in the mall, being in multiple malls, selling my product every single day. But it was a part of the process, though. I had to get from there to actually get into where I really wanted to be. But if I never did what I did back then, it wouldn't have got me to where I needed to be now. When I'm in the mall, being able to walk up to a stranger, just be able to sell them like this so easily because I put in the work years in advance, right? So patience is everything. You gotta have patience. And I'm learning a lot of patience along this journey because right now I gotta be patient. I have little to no product right now. And it sucks because now I haven't been able to really make no money for the past 3 weeks, transparently. And it sucks. But God's been so good to me the past 4 or 5 years. It's okay. Because think about where I came from. Think about how far I've been. It's okay. Because my product comes on Friday. When my product comes on Friday, bro, it's going to go insane. But right now, it's just calm before the storm. I just got to realize, what is God trying to tell me? What is God trying to show me? I've been talking to God more, and I just got to figure out what is he trying to get my attention on, right? So just documenting this process. I'm only 20 years old. I've been doing my brand since 2021, man. I was able to get my own apartment with this brand. I was able to hire and fire up to 16 people. I got a team of 5 right now. We were able to get over 20,000 customers, and I started this brand literally with an idea that I had in my brain at 16 years old, bro. God gave me an idea to start a brand. I got a hoodie. I made a hoodie with a Cricut machine and a design I made on my phone, bro, and I never looked back. And that was in February of 2020.
How long are you willing to wait for that thing that you want? That thing that you know you can get? That thing that you maybe have already gotten before and you just waiting on getting it again? How long are you willing to wait to get that thing? Right? Are you willing to wait a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, couple months, a year to, hit that goal? So that's what you got to ask yourself, because that's really the reality of it. It may take a minute, and that's okay. It took me 2 years to figure out how to make my first 10K. But then once I did it, we just do it back to back to back. But it took me 2 years to get to that first place in the first place, right? So we got to have patience, understanding that it's not going to happen overnight, but as long as it happens, that's a good thing. Because at the end of the day, you shouldn't even want it to happen overnight, because if it happens overnight, most of the time you won't even know what to do with it. Like example, if someone's so famous like Kai Cenat wore some of y'all's new brand's product and y'all got an influx of orders, y'all wouldn't even know what to do with that. Because at the end of the day, you never even sold 50 shirts before, let alone you get 1,000 orders. You'd be overwhelmed with work, because you never even handled anything like that before in your life, right? So these are the things that I want you to keep in mind. There's nothing wrong with waiting for it. There's nothing wrong with having that patience, because at the end of the day, that's truly what it comes down to. And I'm witnessing this and experiencing this, and that's why I'm talking about it now, because, I've always had bad patience for certain things. But I just realized along this journey that that's not how this shit works, man. It's not how it works. It's not how it works. You gotta be patient. You don't expect it's just gonna pop off exactly how you want it to. It's probably not. And that's okay. Because at the end of the day, as long as you figure it out, that's what matters. Right? So stay consistent in one thing. Just because it doesn't work the first 6 months, if you stop then something could happen year 7, year 8 that can literally change the entire dynamic of what you're doing just because you kept going. I've been in this mall for like 2 years, bro. And like some days it'll be like, this shit hard, or this shit, I don't want to keep on doing this shit. But then it's just like, I'll have someone walk up to the booth and be like, man, I remember when I first bought y'all stuff. And look at y'all now. And it's just like, damn, like imagine if I quit. I wouldn't have even met this person. There's literally people counting on all of us. Y'all counting on me to drop these YouTube videos. I haven't been too consistent. I've been way more consistent, but not as consistent as I need to be, because I want to be dropping videos daily, man. Because I was watching DDG and that shit just motivated me, like seeing how far he came and where he is now. Like, bro, I know I could do the same thing. And it just comes down to not dropping that camera, documenting the process. And that's what I'm gonna do, man. Honestly, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. What's good, fam? Yes, sir. And, I'm just gonna keep on going, man, because at the end of the day, I'm 20 years old. I've been running this brand. My kiosk down there. I just gotta keep on going, because at the end of the day, I'm 20, bro. By 25, if I keep on doing this shit, I'm gonna be bigger than life. I'm gonna have like 10 stores all over the US, bro. Multiple kiosks, bro. By 25, I wanna have at least like 30 kiosks, man. I'm not even gonna lie, like, I wanna have 30 kiosks all over the United States, just selling all kind of product, cash flowing, making bare minimum 100 ball a month, bare minimum. Like, that's like on the worst month. Like, I want to be making like 500K a month, 300K a month at 25, bare minimum. So right now my biggest is probably like 50, 55. But shit, I just gotta do that 55 a couple more times and shit. I'll figure it out. You know what I'm saying? So shit, you did it once. I did it once, I could do that shit again, man. So I'm walking around my mall right now to create this YouTube video for y'all. I don't want to sit in the same spot. I feel like my ideas flow a little better when I'm walking, so. But yeah, man, stay patient, it's gonna come, I promise you. You don't want to get it too quick, and you don't want to wait too long, but just know it's gonna come, man. And when it do, you're gonna be ready for it, because you went through all adversity